Hey folks, so last time we was talking that the wallets is not enough because we need the agents that are more active. So let's say we need the agents that are wallets on steroid, and I have a lot of videos about the wallets, and I was building the wallets for a couple of years, and so you could take a look what it mean and all other things. But it's two big differences actually. So the crypto wallet, as I mentioned a couple of times, it's practically the empty thing because it just manage your private keys and do the signing and that's it. So it because majority of the content in the crypto space actually stored in a blockchain. So the blockchain is somehow the global state machine that keep all the data, but the problem is that it's not designed to keep the big amount of data and it's not designed to keep the private data. So it's the challenge. And if we're talking about the future where the data and it's more the user centric and all of the things, we have no option to go with the blockchains. And here we have the sovereign wallets and SSI wallets. And SSI wallets bring the problem that right now your wallet is not empty. So you have the real assets that you could touch, and actually they could be in quite the different formats. But right now you need the personal storage, and we have a lot of interesting things in the space. So we have the differentiation between the vaults and the wallet, and vaults designed more to store the credentials and store the data. But I believe that in a future, wallets, agents, and vaults will collide to one big space. How this space will look like, it's a good question, because right now, for example, we have the decentralized web nodes that actually could be this hybrid solution that you have some kind of storage together with the permission layer. So maybe you could build the application on top that will behave like an agent or like the set of the agents, because even the Web5 SDK already have a couple of agents that work together. But we have a problem that we need to have the ability to have the personal storage, and this storage should be portable, this storage should be able to run on the phone, and maybe the storage should be designed with this approach of the local first, that you have the decentralization without the central server, but you have the ability to run it on the different devices and all those things. And actually what we are doing in mykin.ie as a fast private and personal IE for your private life, that we have this local fast architecture. And we have this ability to store the data on your device, and in the future we will have ability to sync the data. But it's the challenging space that we need more personal storage that are syncable, that are queryable, that allows you to find fast the structured and semi-structured data. And it's a wild space right now. But I'm pretty much sure that the future of the agents actually really depends on the future of the personal storage, that more local first and relay based. So the DVN is a good start, but the DVN have a challenge. The DVN is not designed for the structured the data. So you have no ability to build a complex queries or SQL like queries on top of the DVN. So in my previous Medium articles and in my previous videos that you could find, we could actually see how we could turn the verifiable credentials, that are the JSON LD credentials, to the full-scale database and actually query this database with the SparkQL, so the linked data query language. But not every data point actually is the verifiable credential. So it's a wild space. I'm quite keen to discover more. Right now I'm working on this flexible data layer, but we need more bright brains from the industry to solve this problem together. So that's it that I was keen to share with you, and see you next time.